Welcome to today's video tutorial on Encorta. I'm going to show you quickly how you can achieve more than just what's available on the out of the box combo functionality within Encorta. If you were to look into Encorta today, you could see that there is combo charts, but as you start to drill into those combo charts, you're limited to line charts, column, scatter, area, etc. And what I'm going to show you here is an example that came through our community. Someone looking to leverage Chartr or a visualization like what's often showed in Chartr within their dashboard. In this case, they're looking at the amount of sales from Signet Jewelers, and in the very last column, being able to break that column down into subcomponents or subcategories. And so we're going to do that here within our dashboard. So we're going to go ahead and cancel out of this example combo chart, delete it, and let's add our two elements, column and Sankey. Okay, let's go ahead and put the first column insight together. We're going to select our combo data set, and just to give you a quick look in the table view of how this sheet has been arranged, this is sample data that I've uploaded. You can see years, the categories of sales within those years, and the revenue associated with that. So let's go ahead and update this into column, and we'll group it by year and measure by revenue. Pretty simple. We've got an insight showing revenue by year. We'll go ahead and save that. Over here in the Sankey chart, we are going to do something similar. In this case, we do want the source to be the year, and then we want to be able to measure revenue by category. Okay, so our Sankey chart has been configured and rendered, but in this particular case, we only want to attach it to the last column, in this case, the last year. So I'm going to go ahead and pull in year into my individual filter and just select the last year. So we have that all together. Okay. Now the final thing is that within the Sankey chart that was shown here, you can see that year 2023 is labeled, and this destinations or targets are labeled, but not the source. And you can see over here in Encorta, we have a source and targets located on each end of the Sankey chart. There is an option to turn those labels off, but you'll see that it is globally configured across the Sankey chart. So we're going to do a little bit of a workaround here. We're going to go ahead and add a formula. Remove this. Okay. In this case, it's saying if the year is 2023, replace it with an empty value, or just leave it as the string year just to complete the case statement. There you go. The source label has been removed. We'll go ahead and select done. Okay, now that we're back at the dashboard, we're going to show you how you can create the facade of a combo chart due to the freeform layout that's available in the Encorta interface now. So the first thing that you can do is you can toggle over to the Appearance tab and select Freeform Layout, and this is going to allow you to reshape, resize, move things out on a freeform basis. However, you will note that both of these insights have a border around it that will make them appear as discrete. So let's go ahead and remove that border. I'm just going to knock that border down to 0. This one down to 0 as well. And we are a step closer to achieving the result. Now, the final thing is you'll see as I kind of overlay these on top of each other, you'll see that I'm trying to lay this over the column here, but the white space around the Sankey chart is preventing that from happening. I can update that background color to a transparent color, and you'll see that it fits in much better. So let's go ahead and line that up as best as we can. There we go. And there we have it. The last mention that I'll say is that layering does matter. So if I were to pull the Sankey below, you'll see that since this background is not transparent, I cannot see that back end of that Sankey chart. But if I float it up above the column chart, it is available. And there you have it. That's how you could accomplish something similar within Encorta. The one call out that's worth mentioning here is that by nature of it not being a combo chart, this isn't going to be a real dynamic solution. This might be something that you want to create a one-off report for, because presumably your revenue for 2023 is going to grow, but the sizing of this particular chart is going to be static. So either you come in and tweak these as you see fit, or you can leverage maybe some of the different insights to convey the same information. But much like Chartr, those are one-time reports, so we thought it was a fun use case to share. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the videos, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.